අපි ආවා පොඩි එළවලු කඩයක් දැකලා මේ මහා ලස්සන ප්ලේස් එක. ඉතිස්සලා පෙන්නන්නකොට මේ ගහේ කොළ නැහැ මේ. කවුරු හිතන්නේ මේ නිකන් කියලා මේ කන්න පුළුවන්. මේක දැන් හොඳට ඉදිලා තියෙන්නේ. පොඩි අලපාරක් කරනවා. මේ වගේ සීතල තැනක නෝරෙලි වගේ. කැරට් කොලත් එක්කලා දොරංගිරි 6ක් 2යි. මෙහෙම කියන්නේ මේ ලංකාවේ වගේ මෙහෙ එළවලු නැහැනේ.
You don't know how to cook. Are you from India?
No, I'm from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka? You don't know how to cook?
He's good cook. Chicken and everything is here.
Yes.
But we are separate
Make a
places.
natural,
and,
me.
yeah.
Okay.
මෙහෙ හදන ලෝකල් එකක් නේ.
Yeah.
I'm in near the Redmond Square in Wexford town.
මෙහෙ
He's
හදන
living
ඔක්කොම
in here.
Yeah.
We are expert bus drivers.
ජෑම් එකක්
Yeah.
Good job.
ජූස් එකක් 3.5.
You do the Dublin route up to Dublin,
Me?
the airport.
Me
ඔක්කොම
only
හදන
fun
ඒවා.
in airport bus.
එක්ස්පෝර්ට් ඇපල්
Wexford
ජූස්.
Airport.
Airport.
Yeah.
Back and forth.
Yeah. He's locally only here. He's running here.
Yeah, look at he's advertising my food. Good man. Thank you.
So, egg.
Yeah, we have scone, homemade bread. This is all homemade.
Okay.
හෝම්මේඩ්.
Homemade bread by Maria Copante. And this is homemade apple tart. All
Okay.
homemade. This is fruit bread.
Okay.
It's with curns in it.
Uh-huh.
And these are all homemade jams
Okay.
from a local lady. She makes all these from the homemade fruits.
Okay.
Yeah. And the honey, this is Paul Cott's honey.
Which
This
honey?
honey.
Honey.
This is from
the bee, eh?
up the road. The man makes them. The bees. He has the bees. Makes it himself.
Okay.
Yeah. The local honey.
Local honey.
Yeah. It's very good for you. This with your lemon and your ginger.
Okay.
Boiling water.
Oh, good.